Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to print full page. As example, I will create tables. You can sort, go to insert and then click table. Click OK. Now I will use the print area. You can go to page layer and then click print area. Set print area. The next click file and then print. So we have this print preview, and if you want to print full page, you can change for the scaling. You can click here, and I will use the custom. Now you can increase for the adjust, like I will set into this point 115, click OK, and it will be more bigger. Now you can scaling again, custom scaling, after fit into your paper. And you also can change for the custom margin settings, click custom margins. Okay, in it you can set for the top, bottom, left, and then right. Click OK to apply. Okay, you can change again for scaling. Okay, I will set into 50, 150, click OK. It more bigger, and we can decrease for the adjust. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to print full page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.